Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samia Ahmed and welcome to Blossoming Believers Short Meaningful Stories. Today's story is yet again a very special story about a prophet who showed persistence and perseverance for many years, and only at the end he had a handful of people who were faithful to God. His journey is one which is truly appreciated, and we have a very special arc, one that contains just more than human beings. So let's have a look at our beautiful story today. In a distant land and time, there was a righteous man named Nuh, peace be upon him. He was a prophet chosen by Allah to guide the people and spread his message of love and goodness. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, lived in a time when people had turned away from the path of righteousness and were indulging in evil deeds. Prophet Nuh's, peace be upon him's heart was filled with sadness as he witnessed the wrongdoing around him. He pleaded with his people, advising them to turn back to Allah and abandon their sinful ways. But the people refused to listen. They mocked and ridiculed Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, thinking they knew better, and this happened across many generations. However, Prophet Nuh's, peace be upon him's faith and determination remained unshaken. He continued to preach day and night, hoping that the people would realize their mistakes and return to Allah. They would not listen. In a mean-spirited manner, they expressed their disbelief in Prophet Nuh's message. "We reject your message, Nuh. Why should we abandon the teachings passed down through generations in our families and listen to you?" This deeply saddened Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, as he held a deep care for his people. After many years, Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, built a magnificent ship, designed and commanded by Allah Almighty, which became known as the Ark. When he, peace be upon him, was crafting this ark, everyone around him laughed and jeered, mocking and belittling the Prophet, peace be upon him. One person, in a mocking tone, sarcastically questioned Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, "Are you planning to sail that ship on land?" With an air of arrogance and a smirk, they commented, "Why are you wasting your time constructing this ark?" The ark was built by Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, with determination and focused effort. He, peace be upon him, was inspired to construct it under divine guidance. As time passed, only a few people, those who believed in Allah and followed Prophet Nuh's, peace be upon him's teachings, joined him on the ark. The animals too came in pairs, seeking refuge from the great flood that was to come. Prophet Nuh's family, his wife and his sons were with him as well. However, one of his sons made a choice that had tragic consequences. As the floodwaters engulfed the land, everything outside the ark perished. Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, and the believers on the ark were safe, protected by the mercy and grace of Allah. They spent days and nights on the ark, taking care of the animals and praying for Allah's guidance. When Allah commanded Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, to build an ark to save the believers and animals from a great flood, he informed his son about Allah's plan. He begged his son to join him on the ark and seek the safety and mercy of Allah. But his son stubbornly refused. When, in a tone filled with deep concern, Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, addressed his son, expressing his heartfelt words. "O my son, come aboard with us and be not with the disbelievers." He thought he knew better and believed he could find his own way to safety. He did not understand the gravity of the situation and the consequences of his actions. Prophet Nuh's heart broke, for he loved his son dearly and wished for his guidance and protection. As the floodwaters began to rise and engulf the land, the ark floated safely, carrying those who had followed Prophet Nuh's guidance. They were protected and saved by the mercy of Allah. Sadly, Prophet Nuh's son did not find refuge from the flood. He realized too late that he had made a grave mistake by disobeying his father's advice and disregarding Allah's command. The floodwaters overcame him, and he thought he could climb high on a mountain to be saved.